Hello, this is Shubhra. Welcome to Citrus Aroma. Yes, you're right. As you can see, we are going to make a cake in a pressure cooker. So we are not going to use any stand. We are not going to use any oven. It will be simply made in a pressure cooker. Any pressure cooker you can use. And look how soft the cake is. And do you believe I just used a few ingredients, like 3 to 4 ingredients to make this cake, and it turned out super yummy. I saw this recipe on internet, and after watching it I just decided to make it. So let's get started. I'm using 20 Oreo biscuits, and I'm going to separate the cream from the biscuit because I'm going to use half of it. I don't want my cake to be very sweet, but it's optional again. You can just keep the cream as it is. And it's also important to take the cream away and mix it separately because when you grind them, I'll come to the next step and you'll see when you grind them it will be easy. It will not be sticky and it will not form into dough if you don't have this cream with biscuits. So it's good to separate, otherwise you can totally go as it is. You can add any other biscuits as well. I'm going to use 5 Mary biscuits just to balance the taste. As you know, Oreo without the cream, it will taste a little bit bitter, and I'm not going to use any other sugar. So I'm grinding them finely and nicely in a fruit processor. You can use a mixer grinder, that's totally fine. We're going to transfer this into a mixing bowl to make the cake batter. Gradually add 1 cup milk and mix it really well. So here what you can do, you can add a little more extra milk, like 1 tablespoon extra milk, because when you keep it on rest for 10 minutes, after that you usually notice that the milk has been soaked completely because the biscuit crumbs are very dry. So I suggest using 1 tablespoon more milk, or based on what milk you're using, the thickness of your milk, you might require a little more. Now I will keep it aside and get my pressure cooker ready. So oil brush your pressure cooker, oil brush nicely because otherwise you will have trouble to take the cake out from the cooker. And use a butter paper, that's the best option. If you don't have butter paper, then just sprinkle some dry flour and take the extra flour out. Oil brush the top of the butter paper and stick it to the pan, and when you pour the mixture, it's gonna take a shape or a form automatically. See, our batter is ready. Now as you can see, it has soaked the excess milk, and we are going to add 1 teaspoon baking soda, not baking powder. We are just gonna use 1 teaspoon baking soda, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon extra milk just to mix the baking soda evenly in the batter. Mix the batter really well so it becomes smooth and nice. Now it's time to transfer the mixture into the pressure cooker. Be very gentle and drop it at the center of the pressure cooker so it can spread evenly till the corner. Now it's time to bake the cake. To bake the cake, I'm using a tawa. You can use a pan, heavy pan, and on top of that you place the pressure cooker. Now you put the lid on, but make sure that you remove the whistle. Don't put the whistle on. Now turn on your stove and put it on a medium heat and cook this for about 40 minutes. I cooked it for 40 minutes now, and let's check whether it's done or not. It looks perfect, so I'm gonna check with a toothpick. So it's coming out clear, so I believe it's done. So now we are gonna remove this from the heat and cool it down for 30 minutes. Loosen the edges using a knife. Place a plate upside down on top of the pressure cooker and flip the cooker completely. See how easy it came out? It's nice, and I'll show you the cooker also. Nothing is sticking to the cooker. It came out really clear. See, it's very clean. Now place another plate on top of it, the plate which you are going to use for serving. See, this is how the cake will look like. Trust me, it's really soft, and I never expected a cake could be so easy like this, not using a lot of ingredients. So this is how the cake looks like, and it's really soft. You must make this cake in a very easy way. So now I'm going to put some toppings on it, which will make it even look more delicious. Now we are going to add some toppings on top of the cake to make it more delicious, and it will also enhance the look of the cake. So just roughly throwing some chocolate ganache, just homemade chocolate ganache. Sprinkle some rainbow sprinklers just to make it look more attractive. Just adding some grated chocolate. It's milk chocolate, so just grate it with a cheese grater and sprinkling it at the edges so it will look good. So the look is now complete. You can add any other frosting, but I thought chocolate would be great because the flavor is chocolate inside, and it looks also simple and delicious. Try this recipe at home and share with your friends and family. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. If you are making this cake at home, then take a picture and send me in the comment section. If you have any further questions, please feel free to comment on my video and ask me. Thanks for watching this video, and if you are a regular viewer, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.